that stick?
That's the elevator.
Yeah, the elevator belt. How are the runners? Are they super sensitive?
They're pretty sensitive.
I
How
thought
are
so.
the brakes? The brakes are pretty poor.
Okay, bring your speed up a little. Okay, go on up. Go on up, boys. Take her on up.
Ah, he's quitting.
No.
Well, good afternoon. I'm Randy Schlitter with RANS Aircraft, and here's the original aircraft we built. Actually started building this in November of 1982. Come this Saturday on the 17th of March, we will be celebrating 35 years. And this is old number one. There are some original parts to this aircraft, we say. Actually, there's a lot of original parts, but this aircraft has been flown by many different pilots, and a lot of them were very well experienced, especially not in an ultralight aircraft, and especially not a tailwheel. This one has never had any brakes. If you're looking down here, we got the drums on there, but we don't have the brakes. It's got bungee gear, which we replaced recently. These covers are a little old looking. And this little guy's got, oh gosh, untold hours on it, probably 1,000 hours. It's got a new envelope. It started out as a yellow and red aircraft, and with a KFM engine and a little bitty prop about that big. And then we progressed clear up to this 503. It had a 277 on it for quite a while. Lovely engine for it, and flew many hours behind that. It's also seen several landing gear. It seemed to be all the guys who flew it in the early days had a good habit of busting those landing gear. So it's pretty good gear now. The original fuel tank was actually a very crudely molded fiberglass tank that was the shape of the wing that's set above on the keel. And we switched to that tank behind the seat. And a lot of parts, I say, are original. And one of the cute things about the plane, it has a pull starter. And I'm going to get in it. If the wind doesn't blow us away here. I'm going to start the airplane up. And of course, since I have no brakes, I'll be immediately taxiing out. And we'll be doing a little flight demo for you. I think I was a lot smaller back then and lighter. And we've got a altimeter, airspeed, RPM, power meter, ignition switch, and here's my starter. And of course, you want to have be out of the shoulder straps, clear prop. Glad that you've all watched RANS grow over the last 35 years. It's been a great trip, and we plan on being here for a lot longer. A lot of new exciting things are happening now. If you've been watching the Outbound, it's been a great project, and it's popping out some really good airplanes for a lot of folks.